Hello everyone, welcome to Lukman IS. Today we are going to have the Hindu analysis of 24th December 2020. So let us see which are the important articles in today's The Hindu newspaper. So these are the important articles for mains purpose and for prelims purpose. Let us see one by one these articles. First, on page number 6, editorial page, the context of the article recently the important development in terms of ensuring labor rights in the country and labor laws, implementation of labor laws, the incident of in the Winstrom company, the manufacturing, let's say manufacturer of Apple phones, or we can say iPhones and all these things. So in Karnataka, the plant, we have seen how the developments evolved in the last week, that many labor which were, let's say, protesting already in that company went on the rampage and destructed property of the company. So this incident shows how the voices or concerns of these laborers were not heard by the management or the company, and somehow that erupted into the anger in that incident. So this is how the welfare of the laborers in the country on the one hand, and second, let's say on the other hand, ensuring let's say more production in manufacturing sector. तो ये जो बैलेंस करने की जो ज़रूरत है ये आर्टिकल में डिस्कस किया गया है, एंड आर्टिकल इज गिविंग वेरी मच अ गुड एग्जांपल ऑफ हाउ Chinese economic growth in the manufacturing sector is also has also experienced such kind of incidences, and there is threat or concern that such incidences will enter into India when we let's say give more and more focus in the manufacturing on the manufacturing sector. ठीक है, तो ये हमें concerns address भी करने की ज़रूरत है. So yes, let us see what is given here. So after these incidents, what are the steps taken by the Apple company? We'll see that, like Apple's decision to place its Taiwanese supplier Winstrom Corp on probation by not giving new orders after an audit of serious lapses in labor practices that led to violence in facility in Sapura in Karnataka. It is the step forward in corporate accountability and ethical business operations. So this is a good step that is taken by the Apple after this incident. At the same time, pressured by Apple's response, Wistron has also been forced to apologize to the workers, remove its vice president in charge of India operations, and initiate corrective measures to address the workers' grievances. Okay, so yes, after incident, the right steps have been taken by the company itself. What are the ground realities in, let's say, manufacturing sector? We need to understand these ground realities. Many of the suppliers subcontracting high-end electronic sector, including those for Apple, have been involved in willful violations of labor standards and practices. So willful violations, defaults in ensuring this or implementation of practices, rules and regulations. Until recently, the default responses of the brands have been evasion of responsibility by either shifting the owners to subcontracting firms or keeping things in silent mode. So we have seen such kind of violent eruptions in 2017 and 18 in Delhi and NCR region, Gurugram में कुछ companies में भी ऐसे similar kind of incidences हुए थे. So in past also we have experienced such unrest, labor unrest. The prevailing norms of work arrangement practiced by the suppliers themselves downstream was through hired labor from multiple subcontractors or third-party work supply firms. This seriously constrains the workers from getting effective redress of their grievances. जो primary let's say employer होता है, उनके जो employee होते हैं उन पे ये effect गिरता है. Okay. So case study of China, Foxconn company जो है वहाँ पे चाइना में similar kind of company wherein it produces all the, let's say, manufactures or production, let's say, orders of corporate giants, like those are located in US, Europe, East Asia, like Apple company and all, right? So they have been, let's say, there have been riding global transformation of industrial production and increased outsourcing by global giants in US, Europe and East Asia as a part of strategies of maintaining lean workforces, unlimited supply of rural migrant labor at low wage levels, the Chinese economic reforms that propelled the creation of offshore assembly facilities. These were the developments in early years of how China opened its economy in 1970s and 80s. ठीक है, तो 20 साल पहले जो इंडिया जब ओपन अप हुआ इंडियन इकोनॉमी, बिफोर दैट ओनली China opened up to the world, and these measures were taken along with these rural migrant laborers at low wage levels. Further, the huge potential of Chinese consumer market along with increased investment by Chinese diaspora also played role in facilitating decision, which was further solidified by China joining World Trade Organization in 2001. This is the growth story of China. Now what happened in this growth story? As Apple and other brands churn out smart devices at increased speed and with tight timelines 24/7, the burden falls literally on shoulders of workers. Now their conditions, like work under harsh condition, doing overtime, long tiring shifts without much breaks, under constant disciplinary monitoring by supervisors. Along with that, companies in 2010, Foxconn was faced with spate of suicides by the worker across its facilities in China, thus pressurizing Apple to diversify its range of suppliers. ठीक है, तो ये बहुत सारे वर्कर सुसाइड केसेस होने लगे फॉक्सकॉन कंपनी में बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दीज लेट्स से conditions, harsh conditions. Okay, another prevalent phenomenon is that of unpaid forced student internships to fill shortages of labor supply and offset cost. Now, as they are not legally classified as workers, there is no obligations to offer social protection to such kind of internships, student internships. So, these kind of phenomena, there is threat that these labor exploitative practices and violations of safeguards could be carried over when these facilities move into Indian terrain. जैसे हमने अभी देखा है विंस्ट्रॉम का ताइवानी सप्लायर है, तो वैसे ही बाकी जो कंपनीज भी जो है सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ वर्क कल्चर दे कैन ब्रिंग इन इंडिया, and we can let's say similar kind of experiences can be there in India. Along with that, weak legal regulatory labor architecture and capacities in India again aggravates this problem. Passing of new labor codes further erodes existing modicum of labor protection. Recently, the labor codes, 4 labor codes, all labor laws were, let's say, comprised together into these 4 codes now, and these codes are somehow lenient towards the business and harsh towards, we can say, labor or ensuring labor protection. तो इसकी वजह से ये पहले जो लेबर प्रोटेक्शन था वो कम हुआ है ऐसा बोला जा रहा है. Fear of flight of capital coupled with weak state capacity in supervision makes state administration reluctant to step in unless things escalate. ठीक है, तो ये एक टेंशन रहता है कि हमें बिजनेस, ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस और इन्वेस्टमेंट चाहिए. सो अगर ऐसी सिचुएशंस होती है जहाँ पे हम स्ट्रिक्ट लेबर लॉज होते हैं तो फ्लाइट ऑफ कैपिटल हो सकता है, देयर विल बी नो इन्वेस्टमेंट, ऐसा एक डर है, राइट. So way forward, increasingly following pressure from the consumer side and also being highly conscious of its brand image, Apple has provided code of conduct to its suppliers. Okay, and ये जो code of conduct होता है उसमें जैसे कि seeking to monitor and audit compliance of labor standards and safeguard. However, as demonstrated through the latest incidents of Winstron, there has been no strict adherence to this effect, and thereby pointing to the tough balance that needs to be maintained between fulfilling production targets and ensuring industrial peace. Okay, so a very good statement. In the conclusion, we will say in the absence of avenues for workers to channelize their grievances, what are the channelized let's say platforms like representative associations and unions, and adequate collective bargaining mechanisms as well as social dialogue, frequent labor unrest including to, let's say, to extent of violent confrontation could be very well a daily reality in these high end manufacturing facilities. So what is the let's say need of the hour? Need to provide avenues for workers to channelize their grievances. For example, ensuring their associations, unions, listening to them, giving some say in the management of the company, ये सब important aspect होने चाहिए. Along with that, social dialogue and social security to the labor workers is very important aspect of labor welfare. Fine. So based on this statement, there can be like question: frequent labor unrest in the manufacturing sector in India is a result of lack of corporate accountability and ethical business operations. Analyze the let's say statement in the light of recent Winstron incident. ठीक है? Okay. Then comes the next prelims perspective से कुछ articles देखेंगे. Tamil Nadu government gives go ahead for Jallikattu. Now Jallikattu, that is the cultural practice, or let's say a part of festival, Pongal festival in Tamil Nadu, has been in news in last 3-4 years, especially when there was a huge unrest. Supreme Court initially banned the practice, and later on somehow it retracted from the position, earlier position. It banned that practice because of the what you can say, mistreatment given to the animals. ठीक है, तो cruelty to the animals. So to prevent that cruelty, the Jallikattu and other such games were banned. However, as it is being considered as very important part of culture of that region, or we can say state, somehow lenient action, let's say decision was taken later on. So again it will be news. However, this time it is in news for different purpose. जैसे कि वो जल्लीकट्टू तो अलाउ किया है, बट उसमें बहुत सारे उनको अभी restrictions होंगे. For example, the restrictions in the view of COVID-19 pandemic, like not more than 300 bull tamers would be allowed to take part in the Jallikattu event. Along with that, there will be thermal screening of those who are entering the venue, ensure adherence to physical distancing norms, 50% of the venue's capacity. All bull tamers taking part in the events should get certificate of stating that they have tested negative for COVID-19. Members of the audience would have to wear masks, adhere to social distancing. All these things have to be followed, protocols to be followed. Somehow we can understand ये कैसे होगा, whether this will be effective, ये बहुत मुश्किल है बोलना. But yes, culture is also very important aspect of the society, and it motivates and let's say binds the society together, people together, and that's why the decision of the government is taken. Pongal जो festival होता है बहुत important होता है Tamil Nadu and other states of southern India. Fine? Okay. Changes to Supreme Court, not Supreme Court, a scheduled caste scholarship scheme get government approval. Here the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs approved changes to post-matric scholarship scheme for students from scheduled caste, including a new funding pattern of 60-40 in center state. So here the center has assumed more let's say responsibility by increasing its funding amount. The amount would be sent to the beneficiary's account directly. Along with that, the poorest students ensuring timely payment and maintaining accountability. This has been ensured in new, let's say, changes that have been done in the scheme. So those who, let's say, drop out from the higher education after 10th standard, उनके लिए ये scholarship scheme है, post matric scholarship. So in social justice part, what are the let's say government measures to ensure social justice towards scheduled caste people, तो उसमें ये scheme आपने ज़रूर mention करनी चाहिए. Fine. Cabinet approves merger of 4 film and media units. Now some prelims oriented facts, like 4 important, let's say, media units have been merged with National Film Development Corporation now. Now which are these 4? First, Film Division, established in 1948, and the oldest of these 4 units, was created primarily to produce documentaries and news magazines as publicity for government programs and to keep cinematic record of the Indian history. Film divisions. Second is National Film Archive of India. Second, that was established in 1964 with primary objective of acquiring and preserving Indian cinematic heritage. Okay, National Film Archive of India. Third is Directorate of Film Festivals, that was set up in 1973 to promote Indian films and cultural exchange. And fourth is Children's Film Society, an autonomous organization which was founded in 1955 with specific objective of providing children and young people value based entertainment through medium of films. Children's Film Society. So there can be question in prelims like which among the following media units have been merged with National Film Development Corporation. तो उसमें आपको ये चारों के नाम पता होने चाहिए. Fine. Okay. Then comes cabinet nod for 100% FDI, foreign direct investment in DTH, direct to home services. Factual information. Union cabinet recently approved 100% FDI in direct to home services and extension of license period from 10 years to 20 and reduced license fee. So these have been the reforms that have been taken place in information and communication. Let's say field, the license fee had been reduced in keeping with the rates in the telecom sector. Currently India has 18 crore television set. Some data and facts. ठीक है, तो ऐसे में आप ये फैक्ट यूज कर सकते हो. एक जनरल अवेयरनेस हम जिसको बोलते हैं कि डेवलपमेंट्स एफडीआई में 100% एफडीआई इज नाउ अलाउड इन डीटीएच. फाइन. सो इम्पॉर्टेंट कैप्शन एंड कोटेशन जो लास्ट हमने जो कंक्लूजन में देखा था फर्स्ट आर्टिकल में. सो वी कैन से दैट दिस इज लेबर वेलफेयर. दिस कैन बी आस्क्ड इन सोशल जस्टिस GS2, or we can say society part also. ठीक है, workers rights, workers welfare, labor welfare GS1 में. And essay is again important aspect here, so you can use that quotation or caption in essay also. Fine. So yes, these were important articles from today's The Hindu newspaper. For further information on editorial discussion classes or ED classes wherein in-depth analysis of mains related issues and articles is done by Ansari sir and team, you can contact Lukman IAS. Thank you.